we've sanded this down. So we've taken some off in here and this in here. So now I think it's going to be good enough that it will open and close okay. Kind of looks like it. So before we put this back on and test it, we want to put our eye hooks. We have these 2 eye hooks we're going to put on. And I drew me a line here so I knew where to put it here. So we're going to put one on this side. This is going to be for our spring to attach to. And that will pull the mouth back closed. And then the other one we have to put back here. And this is what we're going to tie our string to. So we can test this and this, make sure those are correct, because I don't want to screw it all back together until I know for sure everything's fitting correctly, and that's what you want to be sure of, in case you have to make any adjustments, because you don't want to have to go back in after you've got it all sealed up and painted and everything and do something over again. If you enjoy my videos, please like and subscribe on my YouTube page. I'd appreciate it. If you have any questions or comments, put it in my comments section and I'll get back with you. So we're going to tie this on, and this is just temporary because we got to seal it and paint it and everything. You just want to do this to make sure everything's working properly before you move on to the next step. It's like I said, the mouth is one of the most important parts. If you don't get that mouth open and closed properly, you're going to have a hard time during one of your shows. Take this. See. There we go. That's how you hook your spring to the top of the mouth, to the top of the head. So you want to make sure everything's going to work properly. That's looking pretty good there. So I think okay with the mouth. So what we'll do is we'll screw the mouth back in. This side. Okay, we got good play on the mouth. That's going to work. I don't know. So now we want to test our string. Make sure we have enough tension on it. So we'll feed this down through the neck. Because we might have to adjust where we put our dowel. This is our 1/2 inch dowel we're going to use, and that goes up and over there. Let's see what kind of tension we got. You don't want it to be too difficult to pull, and that is working perfect. And that's what we want. Still might take a little bit more off down in here when I take this off. Let's mark this. Yeah, right down through there. I think I'm going to do just a little more on the inside here, just for a little more play on it. But that's working good, so everything's here is working good, so this is what we wanted. So the other thing we'll do is we'll take this 1/2 inch dowel, we'll put some glue in here to glue it in, and I'll also put a couple of nail staples in here to hold it, to keep it from coming loose. So we'll get that part done, then we'll come back to the next step. Thanks for watching.